Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The bacteriostatic activity of soap providing for washing wounds from the betel leaf, pepper betel, and the aloe vera extract aloe vera on reduction of bacterial population by Eko Yulianto, Dwi Bagus Pambudi, Nunik Nisma Fajriah, and Rahayu Ningtyas. We from Faculty of Health Science University Muhammadiyah Pekajangan, Pekalongan. The introduction. The infectious disease is caused by some microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, virus, and other parasites. Microorganisms which cause a disease called pathogenic microorganisms. Some of the are Staphylococcus aureus, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and Escherichia coli. Some diseases caused by Staphylococcus aureus are abscess, pneumonia, and bacteremia. In 2018, 6.51% pneumonia cases among toddlers happened in Indonesia. This number has increased by as much 5.32% from the previous years. Selection of the right antibiotics is needed in the process of healing the infection, but irrational use of antibiotic can lead to antibiotic-resistant bacteria. So, it is necessary to develop alternative treatment outside of chemical or synthetic use of medicinal plants as potential new drugs. Plant is considered as one of important source of natural ingredients in order to treat and maintain the public health. The betel leaf, pepper betel, is a kind of plant which grows fine with a height of up to 15 meters. It is a medical plant which is efficacious for healing against skin disease caused by bacteria of Staphylococcus aureus. The plant has good antiseptic power, and the leaf is the most common use on considering the part contains more phenol-derived compound. Some researchers state betel leaf extract pepper betel has an effective antibacterial compound to inhibit bacteria of Staphylococcus aureus. The zone of inhibition began to appear the concentration 5%. Aloe vera has function as an antibacterium, antivirus, anti-inflammatory, and anti-tumor. In this review, we will concern antibacterial activity of betel leaf on the bacteria of Staphylococcus aureus and Escherichia coli. It also states the extract of aloe vera leaf has antibacterial activity. The highest ability of antibacterial activity against Staphylococcus aureus bacteria occurred a concentration of 100% with an average inhibition of 12.58 millimeter. Meanwhile, in Escherichia coli, the high ability of antibacterial activity occurs at concentration of 75% with an average inhibitory power of 0.92 mm. Based on the explanation above, the researcher concerned to conduct a study about antibacterial activities based on the soft providing of the betel leaf, pepper betel, and aloe vera extract on the numbers of bacterial colonies of Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Staphylococcus aureus, and Escherichia coli.
I will continue. The equipments in the study, some equipments were used such as a maceration container, a vacuum, a rotary evaporator, an oven, a flannel, an analytical scales, a glassware, a stirring rod, a triangle, a test tube at the test tube rack, a filter paper, a dropper pipette, a porcelain up, the twicer, a blender vortex, a moisture analyzer, a hot plate, a micropipette, a Bunsen, an ozone needle, a petri dish, the calipers, an incubator, luminary airflow, a well punching device, and an autoclave. The ingredients to be known. The study has used some ingredients such as betel leaf, Simplicia, and aloe vera. Take spoon and natural food coloring, the green tea perfume, 100% in ACL, Pseudomonas aeruginosa ATCC 9027, Staphylococcus aureus ATCC 6538, Escherichia coli ATCC 8939, Muller Hinton agar MHA media, the chloramphenicol powder, a positive control, dimethyl sulfoxide, a negative control, and aqua pro injection. Okay, this picture, betel leaf and aloe vera plant. The preparation and the samples. For the preparation, 5 kg of betel leaves and aloe vera were washed and dried by earthing. Then press it into powder using a grinder. After becoming powder, but were in extracting process with the maceration method. In the maceration process, 500 grams of betel leaf powder and 200 grams aloe vera powder were pounded and then soaked in Erlenmeyer using 1000 milliliters of 96% methanol solvent at the room temperature for 24 hours. Then the product was filtered and the filtrate was taken and the rest we re-extract with the same volume, and this process was carried out until the solvent was clear. The product was concentrated by rotary evaporator. This is a extract mixing process, rotary evaporator, and extract antibacterial testing. When washing soap formula was processed by antibacterial activity test using Pseudomonas aeruginosa ATCC 9027, Staphylococcus aureus ATCC 6538, and Escherichia coli ATCC 8939. The solvents were classified into two groups: the solvent without liquefaction and with liquefaction 1:10, with the concentration of betel leaf extract is 15% and aloe vera extract is 7%. The observation was conducted during 3 days by counting the grains in the number of growing bacterial colonies per bacterial medium. The result and discussion. The form of Simplicia starts from harvesting the betel leaf and aloe vera. This process was done in the morning considering essential oil content form but mostly contained in the tap. In that time, also the essential oil content is more than in the afternoon. The sample used here is the 5 kg fresh betel leaf and aloe vera. Then the harvested samples were subject to word sorting with aims to separate the impurities that stick to the sample. As we know, extracting is the process of separating or extracting compounds present in the Simplicia of betel leaf, pepper betel, and aloe vera using to high appreciate of solvent. Meanwhile, maceration was used as the extraction method considering it does not use heating so as not to damage compound. Besides, the process with this method was considerably simpler and doesn't need specific equipment. Ethanol solvent 96% was also used here. The maceration process has been taken for 5 days and continued with remaceration for 3 days. Use 500 grams of betel leaf powder and 200 grams of aloe vera in 2,000 and 500 milliliters of 96% ethanol in that process and 200 milliliters of 96% ethanol in that process. Then, the product was filtered to separate the filtrate and residue. Moreover, the macerated and the remacerated filtrate in then evaporated use or rotary evaporator at a temperature of 6 degrees to the power of Celsius. Due to the secondary metabolic compounds will be broken if the degree more than a temperature 60 degrees Celsius. After evaporating, the liquid extract was dried more in the oven at 60 degrees Celsius, so it became a thick extract. From the extract of both betel leaf and aloe vera, soap for washing wounds has been made. Making use thick sabun as the soap basis or surfactant. This is the formula of soap for washing wounds. Name of material: betel leaf extract, aloe vera extract, sabun, dyes, green tea, sodium chloride. The table above so the thick sabun was used sparingly to that it creates soap basis with the good viscosity. Thick sabun has physicochemical properties that can form a gel with the function as a dirt leaf. It is also called sodium sulfate. These powders have a function as a soap-based thickener and remove dirty quickly. Results of antibacterial test sample. There are 2 samples: sample without dilution and then sample with dilution 1 in 10. The table shows in the forms of soap for washing wounds from both extract. There is a reduction of some bacterial colony numbers. A reduction of Pseudomonas aeruginosa, ATCC 9027, achieves 6 log reduced from the first population of 2.110 to the power of 6. And in Staphylococcus aureus, ATCC 653I, a reduction achieves 6 log reduced from the first population of 2.110 to the power of 6, and in Escherichia coli, ATCC 98939, a reduction occurs to 6 log reduced from the first population of 7.010 to the power of 6 CFU per part milliliter. Okay, thank you for your attention.